This is one of my fish tanks, but there's a problem. Now I'm in my 70s with a knee that doesn't work as well as it used to. I have trouble getting down and underneath the tank to sort out the bits and pieces that I need to get out. So I decided the best course of action is to make a tray out of some scrap wood. Hasn't got to be tidy, hasn't got to be neat. Just got to be easy to pull out of the cabinet so I can find the various bits and pieces that I need to clean the fish tank. So I got together some scrap pieces of wood, and this is the easy and crude way that I went about making it. I've made the box, put some bits and pieces in it. Now's the time to see how much better it is to remove my pieces from underneath the fish tank. Unfortunately, there's a problem. Trying to put it out, and it either jams on the door or it jams on the pillar the other side. So I've got to come up with a solution to make this easy to push in and out of the cabinet. And that solution was to make some runners. Making the runners was easy. I just had to drill 3 holes and then fit them to the cabinet floor. And that wasn't so easy. Being the age I am, the knees as they are, getting down on the floor to screw the runners into the cabinet wasn't easy at all. Along with that, I'm very much left-handed, and as you can see from the film, that made it very difficult as well. But I did it in the end, and all's well.